Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to first factorize 5x squared minus 125y squared and hence evaluate 5 times 1600 minus 125 times 144. Alright, so for part A, 5x squared minus 125y squared. I see a common factor 5. And so 125 divided by 5 will be 25y squared. And at this time, I will make use of the special product. Something square minus something square. X times x is x squared. 5 times 5 is 25. Y times y is y squared. And so I can make use of the formula for a squared minus b squared equals to a plus b. In this case is x plus 5y. A minus b, in this case is x minus 5y. And for b, then hence means we must make use of this result from part A. I must then now try and find the value of x and y in this question. Okay, and so 5 times 1600 minus 125 times 144. I follow what I did previously. I take out 5 as the common factor. I left with 1600 minus 25 times 144. And then I would then have this will be written as something square minus something square. And 1600, if I square root it, it should give me 40. 25 will be 5. 144 square root it will be 5 times 12. And I will eventually get 40 40 square minus 5 times 12 is 60. Yes, 60 square, and therefore finally I will get 40 plus 60. 40 minus 60. And slowly and surely, 40 plus 60 is 100. This one is negative 20. So finally, I will get 5 negative 100,000. We have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.